What's happening, guys? We are going to look at Smooth Love Potion today. SLP. It's a sister token of Axie Infinity, the world's biggest blockchain game right now, with 1.85 million users. Right? If you look at the market cap of Axie, that is 7.3 billion. $7.3 billion market cap of this game, and the sister token's market cap is SLP only 148 million. Okay, there's a huge disparity. I will go and show you why I think this crypto, will go exponentially high and what prices are going to go and the reasons behind it. So let's look at a couple of projects that are similar, which has in the ecosystem, they have a governance token and a sister token, a fuel that is being used. A small portion, Axie Infinity is it's a blockchain NFT based game in which SLP is used for a reward system. Like if a player wins, they get rewarded SLP, and with SLP they can breed these little animals called Axie, right? And that's how it goes. So basically, it's a fuel. So just like Theta is a governance token in Theta Fuel. For example, VeChain has VeThor, right? So if you look at their ratios, you will see what I'm talking about, right? So let's look at the ratios of these things, and then we'll go do the chart analysis for SLP, right? So if you look at Theta, right, Theta right now is sitting somewhere, let's see, where is Theta? Okay, let me show you Theta price. Theta is sitting somewhere around $6. Theta is $6, right? So let's calculate. Again, this must be boring for you, but when this is done, you will understand what I'm talking about. Theta is another huge blockchain in which they have two tokens, Theta and T-Fuel, right? So T-Fuel, there's a ratio. Usually these tokens sustain, right? For the T-Fuel, the ratio of T-Fuel is about 20 T-Fuel you need for one Theta. Say, for example, the price of T-Fuel right now is what? 28 cents, right? So you need 0.28 into 20 times. So about 21 times, I would say. 0.28 into 20.5. Yeah, about say 21, right? So you need 21 T-Fuel to be one Theta, right? So that's the ratio. So 21. And let's look at VeChain and VeThor, right? What we are looking at VeChain and VeThor. So the ratio here, say rounded about 20. And for VeChain price is 0.13. And VeThor's prices, let's see. It's 0.0096. So let's just round it 0.01. Okay. So easier for calculation. So 0.01 into 13. So that brings up VeChain. So we need 13 VeThor to have one VeChain, right? And let's see where SLP is, right? Axie, the governance token, the price for Axie, let's see, Axie price, AXS is the token, Axie Infinity. So the token price is $119 right now, right? So how many SLP you need to get that price, right? So let's calculate. SLP price is 0.07 right now, right? About 0.07 into, I would say about 1900. No. So about 1800, right? Say about 1700, 1800 tokens, right? So that's the reason I was saying it's so depressed, the SLP price, and the chart looks uber bullish, uber. Let me show you now that we got the ratios, straight. So I believe if this has to reach Theta Fuel or VeThor, then SLP has to be somewhere, let's see, if 20 SLP, what price we get, right? If you want to reach T-Fuel's ratio, right? I hope I'm not confusing you, but let me show you. So if we have to reach theta and T-fuel ratio, that is 20. You need 20 T-fuel for 1 theta. Then we are looking at $6 to 20. Yeah, about 19. Hold on. $6 into 20. Yeah, so price somewhere around $5.50, $6. You would get 1 Axie. That Axie's price is about, it just dropped right now to 120, right? So you get the ballpark, right, though? So this is where the price needs to be at $6. And if we want to get to the ratio of VeChain, then we need, that is 13, because 13 VeThor is 1 VeChain, right? So if we do that, then the price should be let's see. What was the price again? 120, right? Yeah, right about that, right? So to reach VeChain and VeThor's, man, this, okay, we need 10 SLPs, SLP price to be $10 to reach the VeChain VeThor ratio. Okay, we are done with this, so I confused you all. Now let's go back to the charts. Okay, make it simple. I got into SLP because of the charts, not because of the ratios or anything, but this is just to get the fundamentals right? Because the tokenomics, the circulating supply is about 2 billion, right? and the price have not moved. It has only gone up about 450, 500%, right? So that's nothing. And this is the #1 game in the world right now. This is the #1 blockchain game which pays people to play the game, right? Players get rewarded, right? This game is really famous in the Philippines. There are people in third world country making a living off this game, right? So this is huge. And let's look at how are we doing. I think we are done with the yeah, I think we are done with the consolidation. Now we are ready to move up. The price may just at the just to shake people up might go up a little bit and go down 15% or maybe 20%. Like, you know, first it would go up and then come back down, just a long wick, something like that. But let me show you a huge resistance where I expect the price to go. So since the price started to go down, it's this resistance we have not been able to break. There's this, and I see the next resistance here. There's this, and I see, and there's, I believe, about somewhere around $1 there should be a resistance. Because there's a huge psychological barrier at $1. So it could be somewhere here. Right. If you look at the daily, you will get an idea what I'm talking about. Yeah, look. This here. So because all these people have been waiting. There are so many SLP owners, right? They have made this winning, and it went to almost 40 cents, and they must be expecting it'll go to $1, right? And the thing is, for the game to sustain and attract more people to the game, there are 1.85 million people, and for, you know, the foundation, for the founders to attract more people to the game, they have to raise the SLP. So I don't know how they will do it. They'll burn, or there must be they may be coming up with a new system, because the chart looks really, really bullish, which shows that it'll not just only go to $1, but way, way higher than $1, right? So so I do expect somewhere around $1, $1.50 there will be a pullback, because a lot of people who have been waiting to sell, they will sell at $1 and think the move is done. You know, something like this. We'll keep on. It may go to $1.50 and then huge sell-off, right? But then the price will not stop there. I believe the price will still, you know, go parabolic, and might go to between $5 to $7. Even pushing it might go to $10. So that is from here. That is not just 50x, guys. You know, if this pushes to those levels that I'm talking about, the ratios like theta T fuel ratio or V chain VTHOR ratio, then we are looking at somewhere between $5 to $10. I know it sounds ridiculous right now because it's 0.07, but see what theta and what theta did. You know, let's look at the chart of theta fuel. You will know exactly what I'm talking about. T Fuel had a lot of consolidation here. The price was depressed for a long period here, and then it went down. Everyone lost hope, right? And the price jumped, and for a long time, it stayed here, right? But after that, look what happened to T Fuel. It was 8,000% jump, right? 8,000%. This is where T Fuel got its ratio right with theta. Right, same thing with VTHOR, which is a fuel for VeChain. It's a sister token, right? Look what happened. The price, you know, stayed here, crash, and then it went up, and then it came down again, just like the way SLP price went down, right? So I believe we are somewhere here in SLP, right? Exactly here, somewhere here, because if you see, this is the resistance where the price stayed for a long period of time, right? So we are right here about to break out in an SLP and see how much, what were the gains like for SLP. I mean, for VTHOR. 5,000%, guys, you know, exact 5,000%. So I believe same thing is going to happen with SLP. Guys, anything on this channel is not a financial advice. This is just my opinion. So take it with a pinch of salt. You know, I have done my research, and I believe this is not some Joshmo project or some shitcoin. This is the #1 game, NFT game, which pays people to play a game, and which, you know, which is what, $7.6 billion. And this is a sister token, which is only 143 million. And yeah, I believe the price will go parabolic, just like the way these prices went. I believe SLP is in this zone. Look at theta fuel, right? And just look at SLP. The price stayed in this zone for a long time, right? And then what happened? Boom, right? Look at VTHOR, same thing. What happened? Boom. So same thing with SLP. We are going to hit this resistance at some point. So to be conservative, let's say $5, between $5 to $10 SLP. You know, a lot of people are even right now saying that it'll not go to $1, right? But the move will be so aggressive and be so fast. Initial 600, 700% will be challenging. There will be a lot of volatility here. But once it goes to $1 and crashes, but after that, it'll be, you know, a parabolic move. Rolling. Yo, Shrey, baby! Great to see you live, doing on Smooth Love Potion. Hope all is well with you and yours. Thank you for your time and hard work. Much love, sir. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Abdullah Omar, what's the max price for SLP? Brother, I am expecting between $5 to $10 SLP. Bhargav, oh, you are in Baltimore, Bhargav. Okay. Brother, this live, I don't want to keep it too long. Guys, I'm going to go live later on where I will chart your cryptos. This particular video is just for SLP. And yeah, I just wanted to show you. I look at the fib levels. everything is hinting towards a 50x to me. Guys, my view could be biased because I am fully invested in this token, right? I just recently bought it, but I bought it after a lot of research, right? So yeah, I believe $5 to $10 is doable for SLP to get the ratios right. Right now, the ratios are really skewed. You need almost 1800 SLP to get one Axie, right? So if the founders wants to keep, the gamers stick to this game, because there will be a lot of competition coming from other blockchain games. So the value that, or else they'll move to another game where they make more money. And Axie has the first mover advantage. And Axie's market cap is in billions of dollars, right? So the foundation, the people who created that, now they have a lot of money. So with money comes power, and they can do that. Imagine if Axie has 1.8 million users right now, and if the price hits $1, what's going to happen? 1.86 million users, they all have friends, and they will start making crazy money playing the game. So what happens? It'll be a domino effect. The user base from 1.86 million, I think, will hit 10 million people very, very quickly. And when the users increase, money flows in. Corporations, venture capital, hedge funds, they will all look, right? 1.86, so 10 million people. This would be like a gateway drug for these 10 million people to get introduced to crypto, right? So I think this can be huge, and they can turn SLP into a DeFi coin, because the possibilities in cryptocurrencies is unlimited, right? They can lend SLP. They could have a marketplace. There could be a virtual system, a store where you can buy stuff from SLP. The possibilities are unlimited, guys. So I believe this is awesome that we are getting one of the best projects, NFT projects, and the price is like, it hasn't moved, So I want to take advantage of it. You do you, me do me. But I just wanted to go over the SLP chart and the fundamentals, why I think the ratios of AXS, the token, and SLP token are really skewed right now. And for that, SLP has to go up parabolic. And it is going to go parabolic. The charts, it's not me. Look at the chart, man. Look at the chart. What is it telling you? And yeah, man. Next, I would say between 120 to 130 days, I see SLP between $5 to $7. Right? Okay, guys, I don't want to prolong this video. I will go live later on in the evening. I'll see you later. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, like the video, spread awareness, because more people will come in crypto, and it's more money for everyone, right? So, just hit the like. Later, brother.